As the political battle for Gambegre by-election has heated up after the announcement of the polls, the BJP Central leadership will meet in New Delhi on October 21 to finalize the candidate for the election. BJP leader A.L. Haq said that there are several aspirants who are seeking a party ticket. However, it is learned that Tura MDC, Bernard Marak, is the front runner for the party ticket. The party leadership in Meghalaya is counting on the central schemes for the people as the game changer for the party, which is all set to contest the elections.
The candidate now tell me the party they are going to set up the candidate for the Gambegre by-election. We are going for a meeting on the 21st to Delhi to discuss this with the national level, and also we have discussion virtually discussion with the national leader to set up the candidate for the by-election. The NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There are so many schemes it is given for the poorest of the poor, for the poor people. There's so many development been doing from the central government. That is our mantra. But it is up to the choice of the people.
Cabinet Minister